Yeah, I'm different. Nah, I don't fit their system.
Hi there. Welcome back to another episode of the Roblox channel. And today we're going to be continuing with the simulator game that we're creating. We've done all this in previous episodes, but as you can see on the floor, it's very, 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 very difficult to create. It took me absolutely ages to make this model. But um, if I click this model, look, we get leader stats. Now, what does this lead to in the future? So, guess what's happening the week after this episode's coming out? We're going to be doing data saving, but more on that later. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adding to the leader stats on an on click function. Now, if you've already seen my Tycoon series, then you may know how to add via things dropping on. So, it's very similar mechanic. So, let's go over to do that. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create a part. So let's go and create a part. So we'll go to model and we'll create a very, very, very detailed part. In fact, we'll be even more detailed than the first one this time, and we'll do this one with a blue. So now we've got a part. This is going to be your clicker. So if you want to be clever, press F2 and then while it's selected and then say clicker part. So this would be good for a dropper or other things, but we're going to directly influence our leader stats from the clicker part. So what we're going to do now is we're going to add a click detector. And this will actually, so if we go onto this now, we can actually see that obviously this is ours. And then if we click this one, it won't do anything, but when you're hovering over it, you'll see that it's got a little bit of a symbol to say you can click it, similar to that one, right? So that's what the click detector does, and it just allows us our script to read some of the input. So if we go over to the script now by creating a script and then double clicking it, we're going to create a local players equals game get service. So we need the players basically, and then also we need to find the click detector. Now, I don't even, I'm not, we might not actually need the players yet, but it's good to just get used to using services anyway. I'll have to reread up on the fact of whether or not we need it. So local clicker. So we'll call this click device. So equals, well, we'll just call this clicker tag, right? So that's this. That's what we're aiming to get. So if I now go with script.parent and then we go to dot click detector, right? So script.parent click detector. And now that we have this, we can do click tag, sorry, mouse click, connect, and then we want a new function, and then we're gonna put some brackets in there and then go to the end and press enter, so it'll fill this end sign in with another bracket. So in here we're going to actually have some code. So the first before we do anything, we want player. So what we want to do now is we want to find the leader stats. Now in our episode we created some leader stats here, so we've got simdo and level. So for this one, instead of increasing simdo, we'll do level, right? Actually, we'll do simdo and then we'll do level. We'll talk about how we can do level in a minute. So go back over to this and we're going to do player dot leader stats dot sim do dot value. So this has to be very particular. You have to be very careful of how you do this. And then plus equals 1, right? So that's going to add 1 to our sim money, which is our money that we've created inside of the simulator for these tutorials. I am recording, aren't I? Yes, I'm still recording. I will go back over to the script and remember that I need to zoom in because that has been an issue for a while. So here we go. we're calling the players for a get service. I'm not entirely sure if we need this, but we are using players, so I would recommend doing it. And then we're doing local clicker tag script parent.click detector. Now I can't really zoom in on here, so what that means is in the click detector that we put down. So if we just do the demonstration first of it working, so drum roll, if I put it in, no, there we go. I don't think I'm going to put a drum roll in. Too much editing, too much time. Once I get editors, I can do more. If you're thinking, if this tutorial's been helpful to you, if you want to buy me a coffee, then head over to my Patreon. You'll get like a sticker if you buy me coffee, or if you buy me a coffee and some ad money, then you'll get a free mug after 3 months. So just go and head over to the Patreon. I'll be dropping all the code that I do in here on most of the episodes, if not all, by the time this is out. And you'll be able to copy and paste it. The code is absolutely free, so go over and head over to my Patreon now. It's in the top tag where it says buy me a coffee, or you can click in the comments the exact code link the exact link to the code of this video. Right, so as you can see, we've got Simdo going up. So if we go back over to our script now, and we just Control C, Control V, and then we just want to change this to level, right? And then we're going to up this by 2, just so we can show the difference. Well, you can see the difference obviously because we're doing it in Roblox and we've got a level of 0. But here we go. Let's go over to level. To the button. Right, as you can see, we're now level 28. So that is it for today's episode of how to create a simulator. How to create a simulator game, sorry. I hope this has helped you. If it has, please give me a like because it really helps this channel grow and get out to more people like you. And that's it for today's episode.
Nah, I don't
Peace.
fit their system. So let the match class that's a fact. Never backtrack. ADD's my life hack. Addicted to spitting rap. Angels on my back. 111, telling me to carry on. What's the meal? The evil one. Without him, we'd be none.